Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Szanto Vintage Dive Watch. So this is a very simple and easy to read watch, very tough and robust though. So the company, they were inspired by sort of old-fashioned sort of military watches, very simple, very Spartan, but very effective, that kind of classic design. So very simple faces, very bright faces. They're using modern technology, so they're super sort of lume on the sort of the glow-in-the-dark sections, incredibly bright, especially when you turn the lights out, but very simple and easy to read faces. This one, for example, this comes with genuine leather waterproof straps. So this is leather, but the way they've kind of put it together means that it's waterproof and it's not going to go all manky. They're nice and chunky as well. They're 22mm thick as well, or wide, I should say. So they're very easy to replace if you ever do want to switch, sort of swap them out. Quartz movement on the inside means it's very reliable. For divers as well, you've got that rotating bezel, so you can change and sort of set the beginning of the dive, and then it times exactly how long your dive time is. Very reliable timepiece. Very nicely put together as well. Very smart, sort of classic design. Decent sort of retainers and everything. A nice gift as well, but if you're looking for a diver's watch, these are waterproof down to 200 meters, far deeper than I can go. But yeah, a very reliable diver's watch with a fantastic sort of vintage style to it. And this is the Szanto Vintage Dive Watch. Thanks for watching. Safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.